Challenges of rocket launch in Russia. Russia has a long and historic presence in space, dating back to the launch of Sputnik in 1957. Yet, despite its legacy, Russia faces significant challenges in maintaining and expanding its rocket launch capabilities today. First, there is the issue of aging infrastructure. Many of Russia's spaceports, including Baikonur in Kazakhstan and Plesetsk in northern Russia, were built during the Soviet era. Maintaining and upgrading these aging facilities is expensive and complex. Second, geopolitical tensions have affected operations. Russia leases Baikonur from Kazakhstan, which introduces diplomatic and logistical dependency. Sanctions and international isolations have also limited access to foreign components, partnerships, and markets. Third, economic constraint. Russia's space budget has declined in real terms, impacting research, innovation, and modernization efforts. Launch reliability issues and delays have made it harder to compete globally, especially in the growing commercial launch market. Weather and geography also play a role. Harsh winters and remote locations can disrupt logistics and increase operational cost, especially at sites like Votochny Cosmodrome in the Far East. Finally, competition. With rising players like SpaceX and emerging European and Asian launchers, Russia must invest more to stay competitive. Despite these challenges, Russia remains a space power, but to lead again, it must be modernized quickly and adapt to a rapidly changing space landscape. Thanks for watching.